Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 1 on presentation of financial statements. If you are an auditor, investor, lender or employee of a listed company, after watching the videos on GAAP Advisors channel, download the financial statements of that company and see whether the company has reported similar to that being discussed in these videos. If found, make the company aware of the issues in their financial statements, enabling the company to excel in financial reporting in India. You may contribute your desired amount for the knowledge obtained by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A review of financial statements lets you know the degree of reliance you can place on the information in those financial statements. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. An extract of the statement of profit and loss from profit before exceptional items to profit for the period presented by listed company has been shown in this slide. In this slide, you can see that the extract has 14 line items. Of these 14 line items, 5 are nil line items, that is immaterial information. Para 7 of Ind AS 1 provides examples of circumstances that may result in material information being obscured. One of those is that the understandability of the financial statements is reduced as a result of material information being hidden by immaterial information to the extent that a user is unable to determine what information is material. 36% of the line items shown in this slide are immaterial items. The statement of profit and loss presented by the company is a fit case where a presentation of immaterial information has obscured material information. Please note that the presentation of financial statements is not a form filling activity. Schedule 3 does not require a company to fill a form called a statement of profit and loss. Thus, the company has not complied with Ind AS 1. Due to this, statement of profit and loss has been impacted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code towards the value created. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com.